Almost all eye injuries on the job are preventable due to the wonderful technology known as eye protection. But there are those rare occasions and that one guy. What up, workforce? I'm Destry with JJ Safety, and today we're talking eyewash stations. Emergency eyewash stations are an immediate way to decontaminate the eyes in an emergency. If you work with hazardous materials, toxic chemicals, or around any foreign airborne substances, your eyes are at risk. The first 10 to 15 seconds are critical after exposure, then permanent damage can set in. Chemical burns on your eyeballs are among the most urgent emergencies. The safety data sheet will tell you if the chemical is caustic, toxic, or corrosive. It will also tell you if exposure causes serious eye damage and provide guidance on eye flushing and first aid. Additionally, look for warning signs on the container labels such as causes chemical burns or causes permanent eye damage. Do not wear contact lenses when handling corrosive materials. The chemical may get trapped under the lenses, causing even more damage or get fused to the eyes. Contact lenses may also prevent immediate flushing of the eye surface. Eyewash stations must be accessible within 10 seconds of potential exposure areas. If an exposure occurs, act quickly and get to the eyewash station. If you can't see how to get to the eyewash station, yell for help. Push the activation lever on the eyewash station. The lever should be clearly marked and operable with a single easy motion. If you don't know how to work the eyewash station, learn immediately. Flush your eyes for a minimum of 15 minutes. Hold the eyelids open and thoroughly flush the entire surface and the inner lining of your eyelids. Then seek professional medical attention. In some cases, you may have to continue irrigating the eyes until you can get to a medical facility. I suggest having portable eyewash bottles on hand, or you can carry a small squeezable squirt bottle filled with water, which should help until a larger water supply can be reached. What if there's no eyewash station? Any clean water source is acceptable, including showers, hoses, etc. Another emergency method is to dunk your head into clean water and rapidly blink and move or rotate the eyes. So, if you don't want to be that guy, wear your eye protection. I get it. Sometimes stuff happens, but it really doesn't have to. Be familiar with what you're working with. Read the safety data sheets. Remember to take out your contact lenses and know how to work your eyewash station. Hey, thanks for choosing JJ Safety. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online at jjsafetyllc.com or call us at 866-627-3850.